I'm back. It's me. And I got my big old earrings on and I don't care. Who gonna tell me something? Yup, they're huge. And I don't care. At all. I'd hula hoop with them. Yup. I will be wearing them this whole video. Thank you. So hey you guys, it's me, Blushing Toys, coming at you with another video. As you can see. So today's video is going to be on the Fenty, the new Fenty. I didn't even open it, y'all. I bought this the other day. The new Fenty foundation, powder foundation. I've done a video before. On a powder foundation. I'll actually link that right here in the top somewhere, so you guys can look at that if you would like to. So I was really excited when I found out she had a powder foundation, because I just like foundation and you can never have enough foundations. So I got the color 420 and I ordered this online, so I'm hoping that this is what it looks like, what the color looks like. It has a nice little FB there and the pressed into the powder. Then when you flip it up, there's another bigger. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that. There's a nice little mirror there and a sponge, which I don't really use sponges, but I don't throw them away either, because you never know when you might need it for something. Who knows? Also, what I did purchase was I also got the a lip cream, because I wanted to try these for a while and I haven't tried them. So I'm also going to be putting on the Fenty Lip Cream. This color is in Fenty Glow. So you know that first gloss that she came out with, that was also Fenty Glow, so that's why I bought this one, because I love that gloss. And then I also bought another concealer, because I do already have a Fenty concealer, but it's in the color 400. This is the one I already have, and it's a little too orange for me, so I got the color 410. Yeah, I don't know why I got the color 410. Isn't that more? Let's see. I think I was going by how it looked. I was going by how it looked online, and it looked, no, that wasn't unfair. Why did I get 410, y'all? Because I did not look at the colors. I didn't look. 410. Let's see, because when I take it out, it actually doesn't look that bad. All right, it don't look so bad. All right, it might be okay, because this one's very golden, almost orange, and this one's like a little calmer. So I was thinking maybe this one's better for under my eyes. We'll see. Okay, I'm really excited, y'all. I don't know why I'm so excited to try makeup right now. Okay. So because we are doing powder foundation, we have to layer and cover everything underneath. So I'm going to use the color 400 to cover my little blemishes that I do have on my skin here and there, just to make it like a seamless coverage. So let's do it. And I also did apply my primer and moisturizer beforehand. You guys want to make sure you do that, because you know this is powder foundation. It could be dry. I don't know how this formula is yet, but it's a possibility that it could be dry. So we're just gonna, you want to, you know, be prepared. And this is the Fenty concealer in 410. And I'm using a brush to do this, just simply because I don't want to put too much makeup on, because like I said, this is a powder. I don't want it to look cakey in the end. So I'm just taking this brush to blend out the spots that I needed. If I use a beauty blender, which I usually use, it will like take away a lot of the product. And I think it's going to take away too much of the product. So I'm just going to go in with this brush. I am breaking out, as you guys can see here. What else? It is what it is. I'm human. Everybody's human. So I did a little spot concealing, and now I'm gonna go in with my actual concealer. So you know, with foundation, we would usually put foundation on and then put our concealer. Some people put concealer, then they put foundation, but when I do my liquid foundation, I usually put my foundation, then I layer the concealer on top. But this time around, I'm gonna put the concealer on the bottom. So this is the new shade that I purchased that I was saying, I'm not sure. Whoa. Yeah. This is the shade 410. And I'm gonna put that under here. Okay, so this color isn't bad, actually. This is actually a decent color. Okay, and I'm gonna lay it the way I layer it. Okay. I'm just applying it like that. I used to take it really far down, but I've learned now not to take it so far down. I want to create a lift in my face, and dragging it down is going to create more of like, I want to bring my face up because I have like a rounder, I call it a fatter face, whatever. I'm going to let that dry down a bit, okay? Sit on me, why won't you sit on me? Why won't you sit on me? I wish I had like a fan or something to dry this down really quick. I'm kind of in the pinch. I'm just using this to fan. That's all I'm doing to help this dry down just a bit more. So as I'm getting older, I turned 30 this year in March. I know. But even towards the last years of my 20s, I felt like my makeup, I was leaning towards more natural makeup. You know, I don't really feel like I need to be so super dolled up anymore. I just want to keep my youth, if you know what I mean. So that's what I've been into, just really natural lately. So I really want the finish of this, and I'm hoping that it does look very natural, almost like I'm not wearing makeup. You know, you're wearing it, but you're not wearing it kind of look. Alright, I'm tired of fanning. I want to blend. So I'm just going to go in and blend this out. Alright, so next what I'm finna zoom out, chill. Okay, let's see. So okay, so we're gonna take this. So y'all don't see my hole. Take this here and just pat it in. I'm just gonna do that down here. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I got this one. Ooh, it's a little powdery or whatever, but I ain't mad at it. It's all over my desk. Y'all see? It's a little powdery. I don't know if I use too much. Let's see. All right. It's a little dark, guys. Ooh, it's a little dark. Yeah, I think this is too dark for me. Too dark for me right now. Let's see. See my big door knocker earrings? My big old hula hoops is in the way. I don't like this, y'all. Hold on. I don't like this. Let's see where I look a little dark. Let's see. I don't know. To be honest, it don't even look that dark on the... This is a different brush. It's dirty I'm using, but this is the brush. I think this is a better kind of brush for this foundation. So I'm literally gonna put this whole side of my face. Okay, let me take this hula hoop earring off for a second. I can get on that side really good. Buff it in. I'm really gonna buff it into my skin so it doesn't look so cakey. So if this is too dark for my skin, it's kind of hard to like balance it out, I would think, because like usually you can take concealers and balance things out. It's a little dark. It's a little sort. It's a little sort. Oh, but it does cover it. Oh, you know what? I'm excited. I don't know, I'm getting excited over here. I'm getting a little excited. I feel like you definitely can go overboard with the powder foundation. Like I stopped adding it. I didn't add anymore. I'm putting it away because I will keep adding. Because personally, I think this looks good. I think this looks nice and like skin-like, and like it's not dry. I was thinking that it would be dry, but it's definitely not dry. So real quick, I'm just gonna put my hula hoops back on. See, this is the question now. Do you want to put a finishing powder on top? You know? Of your powder foundation? Like, do you want to do that? So going back, I definitely would, because I got very oily throughout the day using this foundation. I don't personally, because I like how this looks. And the fact that I don't feel like doing that, I'm not going to do it. So right here, what I'm doing is I'm just applying the rest of my face. So yeah, so I'm just applying the rest of my face. Like, it's just the same thing I do almost in all my other videos, so you can take a look at that. I'm just applying the bronzer, the blush, all that good stuff. Because this video is about the actual Fenty foundation, I didn't want to add all the stuff in and make it a drawn out video, but you can proceed to watch if you like. See me complete the face, and then at the end of this I am going to review the actual foundation and what I like and what I didn't like and so forth. So see you guys there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put, remember I said I also purchased the lip cream, so I'm gonna try that out right now. And it's just like, oh, it's not even like thick. It's not even like boom color. I don't know about the rest of them. So this is the lip cream. Once again, this is the lip cream in the Fenty Glow. If I didn't say it, I don't know. But it's not like, I thought that there's gonna be more color pale. But I like this. This is nice. It's just enough. Who have I become? It's just enough. They got that gloss. You feel me? But that's that. Look at that, y'all. And did I use everything Fenty? Everything was Fenty today. Except my eyebrows. And I didn't even do that on camera. And except my eyeliner and except my lip liner. Those are ColourPop. Yeah, y'all. So that's that. What y'all think? I like it. I like this side right here. I like it. It has like a nice little glow that I'm really feeling. My skin looks fresh. I don't look like dry. I don't look cakey. It feels lightweight. I don't feel like I have that much on at all. The actual formula itself is nice. It's like nice and like it's not dry. I tried the Bare Minerals powder foundation and this is way better. I like this a lot. I just don't like that it's white. I hate white stuff because it's already getting dirty. But this is nice actually. Just for color references, everybody out there, I use the color 420. This is the color 420 on my face. And as for concealer, under eye, I use 410. And then to correct, I use the color 400. So this is 410 and 400 for comparison. So you can see, you know, how it turned out on my skin. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.